Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Southern Methodist University Web Design Certificate. In this presentation, we'll explore more about the web design industry, share with you details about our curriculum and how we've structured our certificate program, and also how we select our fantastic instructors. If you have any questions after viewing this webinar, reach out to a program advisor at 214-302-8568. Let's get started. Web designers can work as freelancers in a web firm, and most medium-sized businesses have at least one web professional on staff. Learning web design skills can make you invaluable to employers since most businesses have a website, and those websites require updates, additions, and changing content. Finally, many students who are entrepreneurs take the web design certificate to apply it to their own business. If you want to work as a web designer, one of the advantages is that there are few designers with 20 years of experience. In fact, most have less than 10 years, and many have less than 5 years. This is a new field, and it's growing. To be specific, since the 90s, web design has been one of the fastest growing professions in the world and is expected to grow 22% in the next 10 years. This career is also a rewarding one. The Wall Street Journal ranks it as a top career based on physical demands, work environment, income stress, and hiring outlook. The salary for web designers is about $51,000. We understand that students have many choices in web design education. It's one of the strengths of the profession. The type of program chosen by each student usually depends on several factors. So why should you earn your web design certificate at SMU? Quality. You'll become part of a 100-year tradition of excellence. The name and reputation of SMU is well known throughout the country, and thousands of employers in the state are graduates of SMU. Those alumni ties are strong and improve our graduates' employability. All of our instructors are experienced web design professionals selected for both their technical knowledge and teaching ability. Each instructor has gone through an intensive hiring process, including a teaching demonstration to ensure they are both subject matter experts and are also able to engage students while conducting classes. The Web Design Certificate includes a holistic and practical approach. You'll learn real-world best practices and not just technical knowledge. These are not software training courses, but rather a robust education that includes techniques and skill sets you'll be able to immediately apply in a work environment. The program begins with an exploration of the principles and techniques behind web design and how to manage the building of a website. This part of the program is taught online and is instructor-led. From principles and techniques, you will learn the software tools on which web designers depend, including HTML, CSS, Dreamweaver, and web graphics with Photoshop and Illustrator class. These class sessions are taught on the SMU Dallas campus and are BYOL, or Bring Your Own Laptop, with the Creative Cloud software loaded. This gives you a chance to meet your fellow students in person and work closely with the instructor as you learn the tools and software needed to be successful. To ensure your knowledge and skills are transferable, the certificate program ends with a capstone class. During the capstone, students will create their own website and manage the process from start to end. Your final product is graded and becomes part of a portfolio of your work. Here are a few examples of our graduates' websites. The web design includes more than 100 hours of hands-on education over a 9-month period. It blends online and in-class session, and classes are conveniently scheduled during evening hours, and this allows you to maintain your professional workday schedule. The in-class sessions are BYOL, or Bring Your Own Laptop, which allows you to hold on to your work and become more comfortable with your most important tool, your computer. For the software classes, which require Adobe Creative, you will be able to download Adobe Creative Cloud at an affordable monthly rate. And again, most classes meet in the evening 2 times per week. If you are interested in the web design program, we require a 4-year undergraduate degree or 4 years of professional work experience. Contact a program advisor to see if you qualify. In order to earn your certificate, you must complete all required courses, score 75% or better on each exam, complete the 10-week capstone project, and score 70% or better on the capstone. In addition to the invaluable cutting-edge best practices and real-world applicable skills, you'll gain an SMU certificate, hands-on experience, a website for your portfolio, a network of peers, and you will be a web designer certified by Southern Methodist University. Program tuition is $3,850. Tuition includes all textbooks and course materials, access to the online testing center, coaching throughout the capstone project, and a certificate upon graduation. The majority of financial aid programs, such as FAFSA, are only available to students attending credit courses. Because the web certificate is a non-credit-based program, these types of traditional forms of student loans are not available. But we do have funding options available to you through Sallie Mae's Smart Options Student Loan Plan. We also have the opportunity to handle employer reimbursement. Please keep in mind that the Smart Option loan is a private loan with interest rates and loan approval based on your personal credit score. So for those of you who may have low or no credit, we recommend a co-borrower. We also encourage you to reach out to your own financial institution or credit union in case you choose not to use the Sallie Mae option. If you have questions, please reach out to a program advisor at 214-302-8568. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in class.